Bioprinting is a biological cousin of 3D printing, a technique that deposits layers of material on top of each other to construct a three-dimensional object, one slice at a time. Instead of starting with metal, plastic, or ceramic, a 3D printer for organs and tissues uses bioink, a printable material that contains living cells. The bulk of many bioinks are water-rich molecules called hydrogels. Mixed into those are millions of living cells, as well as various chemicals that encourage cells to communicate and grow. Some bioinks include a single type of cell, while others combine several different kinds to produce more complex structures. Let's say you want to print a meniscus, which is a piece of cartilage in the knee that keeps the shin bone and thigh bone from grinding against each other. It's made up of cells called chondrocytes, and you'll need a healthy supply of them for your bioink. These cells can come from donors whose cell lines are replicated in a lab, or they might originate from a patient's own tissue to create a personalized meniscus less likely to be rejected by their body. There are several printing techniques, and the most popular is extrusion-based bioprinting. In this, bioink gets loaded into a printing chamber and pushed through a round nozzle attached to a print head. It emerges from a nozzle that's rarely wider than 400 microns in diameter and can produce a continuous filament roughly the thickness of a human fingernail. A computerized image or file guides the placement of the strands, either onto a flat surface or into a liquid bath that'll help hold the structure in place until it stabilizes. These printers are fast, producing the meniscus in about half an hour, one thin strand at a time. After printing, some bioinks will stiffen immediately. Others need UV light or an additional chemical or physical process to stabilize the structure. If the printing process is successful, the cells in the synthetic tissue will begin to behave the same way cells do in real tissue, signaling to each other, exchanging nutrients, and multiplying.